True. The bottom?
It's my first time.
Okay. You brother there.
Yan, makita mo na yung recording niya, yung nag-record na yan.
It's my first
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wait lang, Lance.
Leng.
Kanino yan? Kay Senator?
Kay Senator.
Leng,
He's the
look.
first one I knew.
Group.
Yan, picture mo yun lang.
Okay, I was the last one, but I was the first one.
Yeah.
Electric mo. Ay, mali pang hindi nag-record lang.
Nagre-record.
Okay, guys.
Oh, ay, meron din si Alin. Oy, white snapper ba yan?
Nakakatapak naman ko. No? Malaki ng ipin.
Ayan. Oh, wow, nakakuha na sila.
Alam, dakil.
Malaki.
Ow!
Oh, sayang.
Ay, wala.
Yan, meron pa nakakapit pa, King.
Napansin ko ang koran.
Saan na?
Sana?
King Barakuda?
Dalawa, sila. Nasa ilalim. Hindi mo lang. Ay, nagdakil oh!
Ay, ang laki! Ay, ang laki! Ay, ang laki! Ang laki! Ay, ang laki! Ay, ang laki! Oh, wow! Ang laki! Kay Alin! Ang laki! Ayan! Ang laki!
Andun sa
Wala, ang laki!
Dahil alam pa di cellphone na dahil Oscar ka record. Record.
Hindi natin nakakain.
Ano isda yan? Ay, yung pang clownfish?
Pang barbecue yan.
Kitang na matataipos na.
Ano na hindi siya pwedeng mag-antay doon.
Meron.
Ay! Ha? May kakambal na yung ano. How much is this one, sir? Ate, magkano to? Hala kayo, Keng! Hala kayo! Hala, ang laki! Ang laki!
Mamaya. May turista.
Ha?
May turista.
Sige.
Leave it there, let me.
Palo ko.
Oh, ang laki! Ang
Just
laki!
put it over there and I'll open it. Well, give it to me here. Give me the knife behind me.
Lama, ano ba naman yun? Picturean pa na sana natin eh. Give me ba lang pa the knife?
Hey, that's a big one, huh? That's what I was talking about.
Hala kayo, han nga makaura man talakayin. Tulungan ba lang ko na han makaura. Tulungan man lang.
Heavy.
That's a heavy one.
Ang laki pala!
It's okay. I got it.
Hindi man makaura yun, Diyos ko ina.
Ang laki pala!
Aha. Give me the knife and let me. Give me the small knife, I mean. Where your mama and papa used to when they went there. Remember? And Liv came and caught sardines. Remember?
Oo.
Bakit?
Kaya mo? Kaya mo, malaki, di ba?
Clarence found that one. Hey, look at that. Look. That one you found.
Ayun yung nakita natin.
Dahil hawakan mo. Tingnan mo. Ipapan mo sa kanila, Kiki.
Nakalagay mo.
Saan ba kayo?
Cut your hand.
No, sir. Next line.
Woo!
Very heavy.
I think we have enough already. You got 4, huh? 3.
3, sir. There's one more there.
Oo. There's one more than the blue one.
You already got. Give me back. I go down.
Patagal lang.
Mabigat?
Okay, that's go down. Big enough to have to do.
Ang laki yun, ang laki. Oh, you careful sa paa mo, Lens.
You have a hard time.
Ate, halika. Malaki to.
That's too big. Can you just put it on the stand in the back? Put it in the back. And I cannot get it from there.
Okay, sir.
Oh, that's a huge.
Ate, pasa ko sa'yo.
Tuloy, you got the camera. Tuloy, the phone.
Just take a picture now.
Yeah, video, taking video. Give me, and I follow Clarence. Aray ko. Araw ko.
Ayan, magkano na kayo dyan?
Double nose na.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Are you standing up now?
No, he's on standing on a...
Oh, the ladder, huh? Don't you think enough already?
We only need one time. It's in the clear area. It's in there, in the blue one. Tulik, let's go.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, let's go eat.
This woman brings in a lot of trash to our house. Not like that.
In the front.
See this one?
Wala kayo. Ba't
See this
ito
one?
matamlens?
See this one?
Magganagay malong ko. Oh, wow. Oh, how many? Kaste. Saike.
Keng, ito ang dagat. Baka may ano siya sa loob, oh. Baka may ano yan, kaya may gem sa loob.
May.
Ano ba tawag doon? Pearls lang sila.
Wala, may kwan. Oh, my. There's still coral inside.
We clean when we go to the house. Where is the container for this?
You put in the cooler. Len, pakipress mo nga yung kanya.
Thank you, Michael, for bringing me to Rock Island. I've been crying for 6 months coming to the ocean. Denied. I don't know. First class, United Airlines. Rude. Why you laugh? Yeah, if you laugh, you know you're going to catch hell. Only these 2, 3 are low class. These are high class. Good sashimi only. What is the small? Can you get? Oh, it's got the small one. Give me the small one, you know, so I can clean this one. Tas, they call tas. They use them to make house, storyboard. Really good. This is farewell party of Leng Leng. Here. Watch it, very sharp.
Kasi mahanta yun.
Oh, sit down. Yeah? We should put that, the rest of that, put in the ice. We have a good time here at Neko Island, the east side. West side is hot right now. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. We are all here celebrating the departure of one of our employees. You know, she's going to be coming back if she decided to come back. We always have our doors open for her. That's Leng Leng. Okay, let's eat. Hey boss, why you always hide all?
Sepita darang mengela bacorio para malamau iremono maas betul tilo dara syabarangi atarang sepita darawe rong mengela bacorio para malamau iremono maas betul tilo dara